The Job and Career Accelerator also features detailed occupation cards for more than 1,000 career paths. How can they help you? Each card offers a wealth of facts and figures about a specific occupation, information that would take hours to find online. Occupation cards are available in both English and Spanish, and you have the option to save or print any occupation cards that interest you. Every occupation card gives you access to a description of the occupation. Many cards also include an informative video. Current average salaries at the national and state levels, and key trend data. A list of skills, knowledge, and abilities commonly required for success in this type of work. An inside look at typical tasks and activities, so you can better understand what a day in this occupation looks like. Tools and technology used on the job, including machines, equipment, and software. An overview of the education and training levels commonly required by employers. A list of related occupations that may be of interest. And links to valuable web resources for additional information. Depending on the occupation, you may also find resources to help you prepare for professional exams, as well as other tools for improving the skills you need to succeed. If an occupation seems right for you, you can get started looking for jobs directly from the occupation card. Remember that the jobs that come up on an occupation card are based on more general job categories, which means you may see postings for similar fields in addition to the specific one you are viewing. Once you have an idea about the jobs that are right for you, the next step is to put yourself out there and apply. That's where the rest of the Job and Career Accelerator's tools come in. They are designed to help you get noticed and get the job that's right for you.